This video, I'm going to be showing you how I make daily Bible study with AI. The big part of being a Christian is being able to have that time when you meditate and study the Bible. And this is also part of things that you do to increase your spiritual growth. And personally, I used to use a lot of daily Bible, annual Bible plan books that I use to study the Bible and every morning. I do that every morning with my family. For now, I used to use some daily Bible plan books where you have to buy these books every year. I decided, since I'm very conversant with AI, why not I just use AI and get it going. So the goal here is to build a gem or a GPT that creates fresh 10-minute family devotion every single day. So how did I do this? So I would show you, first of all, I would show you what I have, and then I show you how I made it. So first of all, I have a Gemini Gem. All I just need to do is I put message for today, and then it generates the message for me. First of all, it gives me a central scripture, and then it creates a devotional. And what I like about this is that I tailor this such that it gives me examples from the Bible. It gives me examples from Bible stories. I made the prompt to be able to give me 3 Bible verses, 2 to 3 Bible verses that is related to the theme of the message. For example, here you see this one, second one, and then you see the third one. And if you also notice, these Bible verses are New King James Version. I also made it to only use this version. Well, of course, you can also change it to use any version of your choice. And then I also made it to be able to relate all the teachings to now give me lessons for the family to learn. And then another part of this is I also made this that it can have like an analogy or metaphor that gives a kind of pictorial representation of what it's trying to teach. The next part of this is that it has the prayer section where it gives you a short prayer. So we say this prayer together as a family also. And then lastly is the memory verse for the day. So if I scroll up, you could also see for a message for another day. It follows the same structure: the central scripture, the devotional, the Bible verses. Here is also 3. Here, and here. And then the analogy, it gives me a detailed analogy. And then I also have the prayer, the memory verse, and then the daily reminder, like words of affirmation. Okay, so let's test it so that you also see this in action. So if I type message for today, so yes, it's getting it done. Yes, so this is the fresh message for today that it has given me. Let's jump right into how I made this. So first of all, start with the need, because I tailored this to fit only my own need. I don't know what would work for you, but I tailored this into immediately more of a customized way that I would like. A reminder. And then you define the role that AI would play for you, Bible study guide or a family devotion guide. And then you go ahead to build the gem on the GPT. You prepare the prompt, you define the rules, and then you output the format that you want the message to be coming out with. And then you can, of course, make your request, just like you saw me make. It could be put in the day 10, day 5, day 6, or you put the date. Or of course, all of this is again based on how you want the AI to work for you. And then of course, the process of reading and studying it together with your family. Then, how do we create this prompt? You have a big idea, you want a daily devotional or a plan for 2026 or for whatever year. And then you define some presets. Most importantly, you need to know that the topics that come from these gems most times it can be repetitive. I had to battle this, so I had to refine the prompt to be able to get it to this point where it's at. Yeah. So do not ask AI to dump like the whole year message of the year. So you have to break it down into the most simplest step. Build a guide that takes one faithful study at a time. This was also one of the previous mistakes that I made while building this Gemini Gem. So, things to note for this daily Bible study guide. The audience, who is this for? Is this just you? Is this your family? Is this for mixed ages? Then freshness rules. And then you have to give it a structure, if you may. The structure, the title, the scripture, the devotional, the prayer. These are things that I did to keep the output structured. And then quality checks to make sure that the prompt is purely refined to be able to serve your purpose. And then the next thing you need to define is the output of your GPT. Bible version that it will be using, I defaulted it to work with only New King James Version. And then I also forced it to make the daily devotional to be 300 to 400 words only. And then, of course, I also made it to include stories, analogies. This will make the message stick and make it more entertaining. And then the prayer verse, memory verse, or daily reminder, so that you can have something to hold on to at the end of every message of the day. So I try for my own use case, I try to make it usable, make it simple, keep it 10 minutes, something that you can consume within 10 minutes, so that it will help us build that culture of reading the scripture, hearing the lesson, discussing together as a family. Now I'll walk you through how I made this. So the first thing I did was I went to Claude. So let's go to Claude and I show you what I did. So I said, create me a prompt that I used to generate this on ChatGPT, a Bible plan for 2026, a theme, I give it a theme, settlement, and then I wanted it to incorporate storytelling using Bible stories, characters and fictional characters, quote Bible passages and explain its message, for the day. Lastly, set up a daily notification for every day, the message of the day. So this was the prompt that it created. But like I said, I ran into a lot of issues with this prompt because it wasn't as structured as I wanted it to be. So I will then show you the final version I have. So if I go to Gemini, come to Gems, and I click on Daily Bible Study. So I click on it. So from here, I could put in the message that I want. But what I want to do is to show you the settings and how I made this. So I click on Gems, I click on Settings, Edit. So this is the detailed instructions that I'm using. So the audience, so you are a Bible study and family devotion guide. Your task is to generate one fresh daily 10-minute Bible study each time I ask. So the audience is for me and my family, mixed ages. And the primary goal is to generate a unique Bible study each time my family, helps my family reflect on scripture and understand one clear spiritual lesson. Pray together, remember one takeaway for the day. Then the writing style, biblically faithful, warm, encouraging, and practical. And then, unique message requirement, do not rely on fixed list of embedded topics. Do not repeat the same central theme, scripture title. This is something you need to note. And then vary the type of the lesson, vary between Old Testament and New Testament, vary the type of the lesson. Avoid making the devotional predictable or repetitive. And use this exact response structure each time, unless I explicitly ask you to change it. So the day, the central scripture, the devotional, and the requirements of the devotional. Briefly explain each verse and reinforce, deepens the day's lesson. So use smooth transitions and readable paragraphs. Then prayer, then the memory verse, daily reminder. Additional rules can be completed within 10 minutes. It must be between 300 to 400 words. Use scripture carefully and accurately. Prioritize the Bible over opinion. Do not invent theology or make unsupported claims. Also, do not use complicated theoretical jargon. And if I provide a theme or a topic or Bible passage, follow it. If I do not provide them, choose a fresh, meaningful biblical theme, one central scripture, again, giving it all the details that it needs to function. So this is the full prompt that I use. So what I did is I used this on Gemini as a gem, but I also used it to build a GPT. So let me show you how I did this. So if I came to ChatGPT, I clicked on more, GPTs, create, and then what would you like to make? So I pasted this prompt here. It now asks me, what is the fitting name? Will be family daily Bible study. Is that a name you want to use? I said yes. And then the name is set, and then it generated the image for me. And then now I can create this GPT. I want everyone to be able to access this, so I'll be posting the link to this on the description. So I save. So the GPT is published, so I can now share this. Like I said, I'll be sharing the link I'll be sharing the link on the description. So yes, so if I now say message for today, let's see what it gives. So yes, we have Bible study for the day generated, analogy, metaphor, prayer, by memory verse, and so I believe we are good to go with this daily reminder also. An interesting thing to note is that you need to set the GPT that you have. You need to set the GPT to the highest ever settings. This way, it's able to really give you fresh topics every single day. I notice that when I do this, there is less repetition on the topics that it shares to me. So if I'm using GPT, I would set it on 5.5, and I will set it on thinking, and I will set the thinking effort to be extended. And if I am using Gemini, I set it to 3.1 Pro, and I set it to extended complex problem solving. This way, it gives me the very best of the best. So now in the final step, we have our daily, so the final step that we can take to elevate this is we could even set it to have a daily reminder. I realize I'm not able to do this on Gemini, but I'm able to do this on GPT, where it automatically generates the message for the day and sends me a notification. But of course, you could also set this to have like a phone reminder, a calendar event, for you to be able to be reminded every day of how this works. So yes, I turned a broad, yearly Bible plan into a reusable AI devotional guide, that produces one fresh message of study every single morning. If you enjoyed this video, share, like, and subscribe, and look forward to my other videos. Thank you. Bye.